Hey guys, MGL here. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be attempting an arithmetic paper and seeing if we are able to incorporate the tricks that we have learned so far. I will put the links in the description for all the tricks and tips we may use in this video. Let's get started. Question 1. 4 times 3 times 10. This is an easy one. 4 times 3 is 12, and multiplying by 10 is as easy as adding a 0. Question 2. 63 plus 276. Once again, this can be done mentally from the left. First, we write it like this. Now, starting from the left, you can add 270 plus 60 is 330. 330 plus 6 is 336. 336 plus 3 is 339, and that's your answer. Question 3. 2 over 7 plus 6 over 7. Since the denominators are the same, the denominator in your answer will also be 7. So the only calculation you have to do is add the numerator. 2 plus 6 is 8. So your answer is 8 over 7. This is an improper fraction, as the numerator is larger than the denominator. So we can convert it into a mixed fraction and write it as 1 over 7. Question 4. 68 minus 26. This is an easy subtraction. If I write 68 minus 26 like this, you can see the 6 is larger than the 2 and 8 is larger than the 6. So you can straight away from the left write the answer. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So your answer is 42. Question 5. 3.8 minus 2.19. At first inspection, one of the numbers has one digit after the decimal and the other has 2 digits. Because of this, sometimes we mess up our calculation. I prefer to write the numbers like this. Now we have the same number of digits after the decimal. You can now calculate mentally. 80 plus 19 is 99. Put a point. 3 plus 2 is 5, and that's your answer. Question 6. 400,000 plus something plus 10 equals 430,010. This looks complicated, but this is very easy. If we pay attention to the way we read the number, you already have the answer. So we have the 400,000 and we have the 10. What is the answer? 430,010. So the 30,000 is missing. Therefore, that's the answer. Question 7. 62 times 6. I have done a video on the timetable of 2-digit numbers. Please do check it out if you want to see more examples. The link will be in the description. The best part is you can calculate from the left, which means there are no carry forwards and you can do it mentally. But for illustration purposes, I will write it out. This is how you write it. So, we split 62 into 60 and 2. So now, multiply them by 6 separately. 6 times 60 is 360 and 6 times 2 is 12. 360 plus 12 is 372, and that's your answer. With practice, you can easily do it mentally. Question 8. 154 times 4. There are two ways of doing this. One way is to use the method we used for question 7. Or you could just double the number twice. Use whichever one you are more comfortable with. Let me quickly show you both methods. First, you split the 154 into 100, 50, and 4. Now, we just calculate. 4 times 100 is 400. 4 times 50 is 200. And finally, 4 times 4 is 16. We just add them up. 400 plus 200 plus 16 is 616. Quick and easy. Now, let's double it twice. 154 times 2 might be a little tricky to do it mentally. So, what you do is split the numbers to make it easier. We can double 150, which is 300, and the double of 4 is 8. So, double of 154 is 308. We need to double this again. This time the numbers are easier. So, 308 doubled is 300 doubled, which is 600, and 8 doubled, which is 16. So 616 is your answer. Question 9. 2,536 minus 468. You can actually just write it like this and work it out. But then you deal with borrowing and it can be a little time consuming. Instead, you could simplify 458 so that it is simpler to subtract it from 2,536. How do you simplify? It's easy. Let's convert 458 to 500. We do that by adding 42. Since we added 42 to this side, we need to now add 42 to the other side. 2,536 plus 42 is 2,578. Now, isn't this calculation easy? 2,578 minus 500 is 2,078. You can do it mentally. Question 10. 2 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 7. Multiplying fractions is the easiest type of fraction to deal with. You don't have to worry about finding a common denominator. All you do is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So, 2 times 3 is 6 and 5 times 7 is 35. And that's your answer. That's it for me today. I will continue with more of these next week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a brand new video. Until next time, bye!